Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable game mode in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your settings. Now go to Gaming. Here you can see Game Mode. You have to click on it. In the option of game mode, you have to just turn on this button to enable your game mode. So this is how you can enable your game mode in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.